Hello everyone, welcome once again to my channel. So in today's episode I will be taking you along on how I make myself my own spice at home. My cooking spice, I like making them by myself. So these are all the ingredients we will be using. This is dry scent leaf, this is seasonal cube, nutmeg, this is dry ginger, this thyme. This is dry Cameroon pepper. I don't know what this is called in English, and that's bay leaf. This is I don't know the English name of this, and this is clove. This is black pepper, and this is curry powder. This is salt. Here is onions powder, rosemary, and this one cinnamon stick. This is crayfish. I have 3 types of crayfish. That's one. Here's another one, and this is pram head. I have 3 types of pepper too. This is one here, and this is dry habanero pepper because I love this thing to be well spicy. So let's get started. Here are how we are going to use today. These are all the ingredients we are going to use for this video, so join me. So guys, this is how what I'm doing now. I have to remove the shell, this shell. When you crack it open, this is what you see inside. You see this, you remove this. So I need to remove all the shell, and that's what I'm doing now. Then you trash this. This is not, we are not using this. So this is me breaking all the big ingredients into smaller particles. This is cinnamon stick, the nutmeg, and the other black one. If anyone you know that you know their English name, please do way to put them in the comment section for me, so that every one of us can learn. Okay, thank you. So guys, this is me eating up all my ingredients together on a low heat. So you use low heat to heat them up. It helps the flavor to come out well and very nice. So after this, I will have to now blend everything. I will allow it to cool down small before I blend them. Oh, I did not add these 4 ingredients into what I was roasting on fire because they are already in powdery form. This is my seasoning cube, curry, onions powder, and salt. So I will be adding this inside the blender. So here is me. I've already put all my ingredients inside the blender. So I will start blending them all together now. So here is the end result of our spice. This is my homemade spice. You can see it came out very well. You can see. You can also use this as a business if you're in a area where you can do business. And you can also do this. I love this homemade spice I do make. This goes for my pepper soup, or when I want to boil meat, chicken, anything. Once I just put just small quantity of it inside, I have this lovely aroma, and it has always been helpful for me. Thanks so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this family, please do what to give me a subscription, like, and don't forget to leave me your honest review about this. Then all those ingredients that I showed you, I don't know their English name. If you happen to don't forget to let us know in the comment section so that we all can learn together. Thanks so much. God bless you. Bye.